it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me today for a simple stamping Saturday. And today I'm doing something a little different. I'm actually going to do an unboxing, not least of all because I want to know what's in it. So I'll be unboxing the new birthday organizer kit, which is going to be the birthday present, the Christmas present to get this year. I think it's going to sell out quite quickly. So if you want one, now is the time to get it. Let me flip the camera down and we will go through it together. It comes in a bigger box than normal. Let me find a normal size box. Having that ready would have been good. So this is your normal size box. So it's bigger in both directions. So it's not got cellophane around it, but it has got a roll of tear and tape. It's got this huge cellophane wrapped parcel, so let's get that out. So that's the tear and tape. Let me grab my snips. I can't even get hold of it. It's huge. Huge. So I had to wait a while for mine. It just got caught up when I was away and things, so yeah. Timing is the art of and all that. Right, so below here we got our instructions, which should tell us what's in here. So we've got a notebook, 12 cards, so that's basically what we're going to have, and matching envelopes, obviously. Basic black, evening evergreen, petal pink, Sahara sand, soft succulent, really nice colour palette. So we've got some iridescent sequins. If I take them out, you should be able to see that they are iridescent. So this is a non-stamping kit. So can you see they're iridescent? I'm hoping you might be able to see that they're iridescent. Anyway, they are iridescent. Beautiful. Some dimensionals. These are the kind of full-size dimensionals. It's just a small pack. Some adhesive dots. So let me pop those bits back in their protective wrapper. Like that. Oh, I think I've got an extra sequin. How exciting. Right. Cards and envelopes. So these are our envelopes. They are not the same. So these are Sahara sand diagonal stripes, and these are soft succulent gingham. They go all the way around, so if you were looking to use your envelopes as paper, you've got a whole envelope's worth. What I would just say is that in the UK, this is an unusual size. This is the North American 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Is that right? Anyway, it's the North American A2, which is not the same as our A2 because that would be huge. So envelopes. Card bases, bear in mind I've not seen these before, so we've got card bases that are patterned on the front and back for the soft succulent. We've got polka dots for the other ones. So I'm thinking for those of you in North America, you could cut these in half and stretch, just saying. Right, die cuts. We've got 3 sheets of this one, which has got this lovely rose. This has a sort of feel of the Abigail rose to it. 2 different shapes of diamond. Actually, they're both the same. They're the same shape. They're different sizes, I think, is what I'm trying to say. Leaves. Oh, beautiful. Oh no, make that 4. Make that 5. 6 sheets. 6 sheets. And then we've got, this is for the book, I'm guessing, but let's guess. So in English, French, German, and Dutch, I believe, we have the months of the year. Once. And they're stickers. So each month once. They're fairly well mixed Oh, except September and September, but they may be spelt the same in more than one language, I'm thinking. But we've got December to... maybe we've got them twice. Anyway, months. Then we've got It's Your Day in English, French, German and Dutch. We've got some Sahara Sand strips. We've got Happiest Birthday or something similar in English, French, German and Dutch. And then we've got the book, which is solid. I mean, really solid. So this is the cover. It's got a thing there. Then we've got the months, or rather the dates, and again, pockets. This would be interesting as... I'm thinking you could actually turn this into a scrapbook. Anyway, so you've got a page for... You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. And they are all numbered up to 31. So if you wanted to start not with January, you could. Pockets front and back. And I just want to have a... So the back of this is the dots. So if you wanted to, you could get 2 and you could cannibalise 1 to be a scrapbook and use the other sides of the pattern paper for things as well. This is striped. It's white on the other side. But yeah, ooh, I might have to have a play with that. Might have to order another one. Anywho, so in the instructions, it tells you how to put it all together, as you would expect. So you've got... I'm trying to work out why there's a pattern on the back of the soft succulent card, and I cannot find a reason. So even more reason for those of you in North America with access to replacement envelopes to cannibalise the back of your card, because there is absolutely no reason why you've got the pattern on the back. Anyway, so it shows you how to put it all together. This is going to be a fun one with the triangles. And yeah, it's literally stick and stick. I mean, you know, put the adhesive on and then stick it on. So really simple. How much time have I taken? A whole 8 minutes. I will... Well, I was going to say, will I put them together? I'm not actually going to put them together today. I just want you to see that this is available. And it's on the website in Europe. It says that it's available in French, German, English and Dutch. But it only shows as being in English. And this is why. I got very confused because I was looking for other languages. But the other languages are actually included. So if you've got friends and family who live overseas in Europe, or could be Canada, because you have French speaking there, parts of Africa have French speaking, you could actually send them a card in language without having to buy a foreign language stamp set. Just a thought. And of course you could use the sentiments that you don't use for this on other projects. Just a thought. Anyway, that's it from me today. I just wanted to gush over this wonderful birthday card organizer kit. I mean, I'm going to forgive them for spelling organizer incorrectly. But other than that, it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to get another one and turn it into a scrapbook. Just saying. Yum. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. As I say, a different Saturday today, but I just wanted you to see it because it's epic. Unfortunately, I now can't get to the bit of my screen that I need to get to in order to do the closing. Why has that happened? Can I, if I get, no. I do like Windows 11-ish. Ah, that's done it. things keep popping up that I'm not expecting. Anyway, have a lovely rest of your weekend, and I will see you again soon. I'll make up one of each of the cards and pop them over on my website. The link's in the description bar below the video. So yeah, let me know if you're excited about the birthday organizer kit, and will you cannibalise one to make a scrapbook? I think I'm going to. Bye for now.